Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Rogue door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and trim removal tools. Make sure you have the correct replacement handle for your specific vehicle model. It's also important to set up a clean, well-lit workspace to ensure safety and efficiency throughout the process. This preparation will make the entire replacement much smoother. Now, let's get to removing the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the panel is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors or cables that are attached. Finally, locate and unbolt the existing door handle assembly from the inside of the door frame. Take your time with each step to prevent any accidental damage. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new door handle assembly and secure it into the door frame using the appropriate bolts. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring and cables that you previously disconnected. Before fully reassembling, give the new handle a few test pulls to ensure it operates smoothly and correctly. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Carefully reinstall the interior door panel, making sure all the clips and screws align properly. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are secure and that the new handle operates perfectly. For other great deals, and to find out more about quality products, like Darn Tough Socks with their lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video. Your new door handle should now be fully functional and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.